In Cold Blood by Truman Capote is a retelling of the murder of the Clutter family in 1959. Capote chose to write on this case before it was even solved, and he finished it when it was finally solved 6 years later. The book opts to tell the audience what happens right at the beginning and focuses on the motives and the effects of the killing rather than leaving it a mystery throughout the book. In many ways, this book was the first of its kind, a true crime novel, the first true crime novel. The book is mostly about what leads one to kill, focusing mostly on the killers, Perry and Dick. It speaks on sexuality, anger, and childhood and familial trauma. When not exploring the motives for such a murder, Capote is discussing the effects of that a murder has on a community and its citizens. Overall, this book doesn't really focus on the how of a murder, but on the why and the following events of the murder. A lot of the book features basic everyday dialogue between characters, so the readers can focus on the feelings and characteristics of the characters. There's a lot of dialogue that focuses on the past or thoughts of the characters. Very little of the book is based on the actual solving of the murder, and there's not much effort that goes into solving the crime throughout the book. It pretty much just solves itself. The aftermath of the murder takes full precedence throughout the book.